How's it going guys, Cubing Master here, and in this video I'm gonna try and fix my 2x2 which is a real mess. So before we begin, you must have seen this cube. It's a new one. I have recently bought it from Cube Lelo and I have even done an unboxing of this cube. So now I can do that smashing thing with this buddy. So you might be wondering, why did I upload this video after such a long time? You know, I actually lost interest in cubing before some time. Then somehow a couple of days back, I tried to solve this cube and got a good time. So I tried solving this again and again, and still got good times with this. So I decided to go back into my cubing life, and that's when I spotted my 2x2. I tried to turn that thing, and I hadn't used this for such a long time that it felt like a Rubik's brand filled with sand. Oh my god, it was so terrible. And here is that 2x2. So before fixing, you just hear the noise of this thing. Okay, now you might have understood. So let me tell you what I am going to do with this. First of all, I would clean its pieces because look at this. This thing is filled with dirt. See, I don't know what these things are, but I think this came because I had kept this cube for 2 months near the windowsill. So I think that's why it became like this. So first I would clean this, then I would tension this cube, and then I would lube this. So you can say that it's like a setting up my 2x2. But still, let's start this video. So first of all, I'm gonna clean this thing. So for that, I have my towel with me. This is my white towel which I use for cleaning these cubes. So now I'll clean this and I'll come back right now. Okay, now I got this cleaned, but still some of the dirt is not going. How much I clean it, I don't know why. And now let me tension this. So for that, I have this screwdriver. But you might be wondering why I am using this screwdriver instead of the Moyu one, which I got in my previous video. So that Moyu screwdriver was really big and it didn't fit this cube. So I decided to use this one itself. What a waste of money. So I am gonna make this a little loose because this is really tight. So let me loosen this up. So now this has become a lot better than it was at the beginning. Now I have loosened this, and now we can do quite fast turning, but still we need one more thing. Lube. So I'm gonna lube this thing with olive oil I don't have any other lube. So I'll just lube this and come. Now I have this thing all lubed and set up. So let's try a solve. That is inspection and okay. Oh my goodness, that's still bad. Okay, so I cleaned this thing, I tensioned this and I lubed it, but still it is bad. So I think I have to say this cube goodbye. Nah, just kidding. I will never give up. I'll try and try till I succeed. So, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon also so that you get notifications whenever I post videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. So, stay home, stay safe. Bye.